Hi friends, this is Industrial Engineering Test 3. So in this test we will going to see total how many questions means total 52 questions, and those 52 questions we will see. First you will see the questions. So I will give you in description back this PDF link. If you are unable to download, see I am scrolling this PDF in the video. So just you pause the video and you just see the options and you make your answers. So after 2 minutes after scrolling this, I will give my answers. That is the key of this test. So this test total how many questions? 52 questions will be there, and all 52 questions will be very important question. Those questions was asked in some of the exams. Okay, so you just remember these answers, you just do sincerely. If you are actually preparing for HPCL and hall exam, so you have to finish this test, because some people they are joining here and their groups, Telegram, WhatsApp, everywhere they will be there, but whenever there is a test or something will be there, they will see just open and they will skip. So when you skip like that, you are not able to get that job. So because you are not doing hard work there, so you have to finish the questions, so that will be memorized. Your mind will be habit to that type of questions. So you in exam that question will come, you won't confuse. So I did their mistake, so now I don't want to do mistake here. So if you did mistake here, then it won't be mistake in the your exams. So most of the people will get the marks nearly. Suppose the exam is conducted for 200 marks, so they will get nearly 120 marks, everyone will get, but the cutoff will be there 135. So 15 marks you get less marks, but that less marks actually you will get 140. But how you are getting the less marks? Because you are doing some silly mistakes, because of not practicing this test series and these all things. Because of this thing you are unable to clear the exam. Now we will see the first question. What is the first question? Critical path method. So what is the critical path method? PART and CPM. So it will help in ascending the time schedules, make better and detailed planning possible, provide a standard method for communicating project plans, schedules, and to time and cost performance, all of this above. So tell me your answer. So this is the D is the correct answer. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next question. PART is applied for marketing programs and advertising program, installation of machinery, research and development of products, all of this. So this is all of this. So in all of this we'll use. Next, third, the most important function of inventory control is stock control system to run the store efficiently. That is important. Technical responsibility of the state of material, means how many material is there, that technically you have to know how much quantity is there. So these all are the correct statements. So D is the correct answer. In product layout, what is asking? Specialized and a strict supervision is required. Machine cannot be used to their maximum capacity. Manufacturing rate rises with a full in the volume of production. All of this above. So this also all of this above. Next, the bonus increase in proportion to the increase in efficiency. This statement applies to the C, Emerson efficiency plan. So Emerson efficiency plans is 66 2/3. When you reach your your performance this much percentage, after that how much you percentage it will increase, you get the bonus. Okay, that fifth is C. Next, sixth, which of the following statement is correct about the network diagram. The events are represented graphically to the circles or nodes at the beginning and at the end of the activity by arrows. That is the correct. The tail end of the arrow represents the start of any activity, correct. The head of the arrow represents the end of any activity, correct. All of these above. So these are 6 is the D. All of the above are the correct statement. This is about the network diagram. Okay. Next one. PMTS, predetermined motion time system, includes, it will include MTM and WFS, BMTS. So all of these above. So this one also remember. Okay, just remember the answer. In jobbing production, so what is required? Jobbing means we are doing a particular job. So in jobbing production, highly skilled workers are needed, unit costs are high, operators are labor incentive, all of this above. So these all are correct. Why it is? Jobbing means what? Jobbing means particular job you are doing. Means suppose you got a some order of what? You got a order of what? Say want to prepare a one statue of suppose you want to prepare a statue of some unknown person, some person in their village. So he has a some kind of shape and all this. It's not a standard. So for that highly skilled workers are needed, unit cost are high. So they ask only one or two products, statues only. That's why the cost is high. And operators are labor incentive. So all of these are correct. You understand? I think so. Okay. Ninth one, performance rating. Ninth one, performance rating is equals to. So ninth is D. So these all statements are wrong. Performance rating means not plus, not minus, not into. So these all are wrong. So performance rating is none of these above. Okay. In process layout, handling and backtracking of the material is too much. Production control is more difficult and costly. Routing and scheduling is more difficult. So this is the process layout. So these all are correct statements. In process layout, these all are correct statements. Okay. Next. In feasible solution to be a linear programming problem should. So it should, what it has to do? Satisfy the problem constraints and non-negative restraints. So that is the C is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So this is for feasible linear programming problem. So C. Next, 12th. Abbreviated work factor data is applied for. So abbreviated work factor data is applied for material handling operation, maintenance operation, packing and shipping operation, and all of this above. This will be abbreviated work factor is applied for this all of this above. Material handling, maintenance operators, packing and shipping operation. Routing means what? Routing means it prescribes the sequence of the operation to be followed. Operation to be followed means first grinding, after that drilling, after that what, finishing, after that lathe machine, some kind of champing, like that operation. This is a sequence of operation. That is the route, our route. Next, 14. Which of the following conditions are necessary for applying linear programming? So which are the following apply for the linear programming? So there must be a well-defined objective function, yes, for applying linear programming problem, and the decision variables should be interrelated and non-negative, yes, that's also correct. The resources must be in limited supply, yes, that's also correct. So D is the correct statement. Got it? The start or completion of a task is called. The start or completion of a task is called event. Okay, so actually this is the activity. So here one circle, here one circle. This is called as a start and end. So this is called as a start and end is called as a, this circle, this nodes is called as a, what we call, event, and this duration we call as a activity. Okay, so event is the start or completion of a task. ABC analysis. So 16 ABC analysis is basic technique for material management. As correct, material management inventory will use, and it means for relative inventory control, yes, correct, does not depend upon the unit cost of the item but on the annual consumption. Yes, that's also correct. So all of these above are the correct statements. Okay. The process capability of a mission is defined as the capability of a mission to, so 17 is what? 17 is A, produce a definite volume of work per minute. Work per minute. That is the process capability of a mission. So means what is the capability of that mission? That mission can produce a definite, means it is fixed 100 products per minute. So like that, that is fixed for that mission. That is the its capability. Next 18 question. Service time in queuing theory is usually assumed to follow. So is used to follow what distribution? Exponential law. Exponential law in service time. Okay. Exponential law. Service time in queuing theory is follows exponential law. Okay. So I think service time will follow service time will follow exponential law. Next, the break even point. The break even point. So 19th is C. Total cost is equal to sales revenue. That is the break even point. That one we know. Next, according to row 1 plan of a wage incentive system, bonus is paid to the worker. When the bonus will be paid to the worker? On the percentage of time saved. That is the row plan. How much time he saved? On that percentage it will be get bonus. Next, which of the following chart is used for plant layout design? So which of the chart will use? Operation process chart, yes, we will use that. Man mission chart, yes, we will use. Travel chart, yes, we will use. So all of these above are the correct statement. So 21 is D. Next, 22. Earliest finish time can be regarded as, so earliest finish. So now this is the activity. So this is the earliest start time. This is the earliest finish time. So this is the duration. So if you want to calculate this one, then what will get? Earliest start time plus the duration is earliest finish time. So this is the duration, this is the earliest start time. So these two add, then you will get this. Okay, got it? So what is that? 22 is here. Earliest start time plus the duration of an activity is earliest finish time. If R is the base rate guaranteed per hour, S is the standard time for the job, and T is the actual time, then according to Hasley 50-50 plan, Hasley 50-50 plan, wages for the job will be. So I told you Hasley 50-50 plan means what will get? 23 in the denominator, 2 will be there. Okay. If Rowlatt plan, yes, will be there. So 50-50 now, 50 means what? 1 by 2. So you remember like that. 1 by 2 means 50-50, by S means row 1 plan. According to Muthur, the basic principle of the best layout is, which of the following? Principle of overall integration, principle of flow, principle of flexibility. So all of these are basic principle of the Muthur. Next, time study is carried out to determine the time required to complete a job by an average worker. This is the important. A company spends considerable amount on the publicity to promote sales. This expenditure in break-even chart is shown below the. In break-even chart, it shows below the variable cost. Shows the variable cost. So variable cost line, below the variable cost line, it will shows the, so this is the fixed cost, this is variable cost. So below this cost line, and this is variable cost. So below this cost line, it will be show here in this area, it will show. That is the expenditure break chart. So below the variable cost line. Next, time study is used to 27. 27 is D. That is all of this above. Determine the standard costs. Determine the number of missions a person may run. Provide the basis for the setting price, piece price or incentive wages. These all are the correct according to time study. Use it. Both Rowan plan and 50/50 Hasley plan will provide the same earning when the actual time is the standard time, that is 1/2, and the actual time is 1/2 of the standard time. Then only these both will be earning will be same earning. Okay, next 29. The main objective of a measurement is to. So the main objective of a measurement is to this, all of this about 29 is at D. What are the main objective of work measurement? Plan and schedule of the production. That is the your work measurement. So you have to plan according to your shift and whatever, and formulate a proper incentive scheme, and the estimate the selling price and the delivery dates. So these all will be main objective of work measurement. Okay. The production cost per unit can be reduced by, it can be reduced. How it can be reduced? 30 is a B, that is producing more with the same inputs. Producing more with the same inputs. That is the, that way you can cost per unit can be reduced, because wastage we can decrease with that. In manufacturing management, the term dispatching is used to describe the, so dispatching is used to describe the dispatch of the work order through the shop floor. That is the dispatching. Dispatching means that is the starting of the process from your factory or your good, that is the goods store. So 31 is D. 32. Product layout is also known as. So product layout is also known as, 32 is B, that is a synthetic layout. Important, remember, synthetic layout. The work study is done by means of, stop watch, so many times asked. In fixed position layout, layout, what will be there? Total production cost is less, yes. Material movement is less, yes. Capital investment is minimum, yes. So these all are correct. In fixed position, like ship we will manufacture. Okay, so 34 is D. The factors which are to be considered while developing a good wage incentive plan will include. So what it will include? Adequate incentive, easy of administration, guaranteed basic pay. So these all are the correct statement. These are the factors considered while developing a good wage incentive plan. If you want to prepare a one plan, in that plan this is the main factors. This factor should be there. The work study is mainly aimed at. So the work study is mainly aimed at determining the most efficient method of performing a job. Determining the most efficient way of performing a job. So how we will do this job? In which way we will do? So we will get the best performance. So that is the work study duty. The type of a organization preferred for an automobile industry is. So 37 is line and staff organization. That is B. And this is for the steel industry. Okay, steel industry. Product layout is used for. 38 is C. That is mass production. So product means what? Particular product will manufacture. Like a soap. Soap is manufactured not in ones and twos. It will manufactured in lakhs and lakhs. So that is a mass production. Okay. Linear programming can be applied successfully too. So this all. So it will apply to the banks, oil industry, chemical industry. For all it will be applied. For handling material during manufacturing of the cement, a dash is widely used. For cement handling, what will use? Bucket conveyors will use. So there will be bucket. In that bucket, cement will be moved from one place to another place. Process layout is also known as. Analytical layout. So process means analytical, product means synthetic, and fixed position means static. Fixed position means this is process, this is synthetic is product, this static product layout is fixed position layout, is also called as fixed position layout. So you got it now. So this is process layout is analytical layout, product layout is synthetic layout, static position layout is also called as a fixed position layout. Got it now. For this answer is this A. The most suitable incentive plan for the maintenance section of an industry will be. So most suitable incentive plan of a maintenance of a industry will be 42 is group incentive plan. That is the most effective plan. Next 43. If A is the total items consumed per year, P is the procurement cost per order, and C is the annual inventory carrying cost per item, then the most economic ordering quantity is given by the, so that is given by the under root of 2 AP by C. That is normally in most of the textbook it is writing as a 2DQ 2D C0 by CH. So it is just A means what? Orders. P means what? Ordering cost. C means what? Holding cost. Okay, holding cost. So this is the formula. CPM requires single time. Part requires single time estimation. Part requires how many? Part requires 3 times estimates. CPM only 1. Which of the following wage incentive plan is applied to all workers? So 45 is A, that is HALC plan. So HALC plan is applied to all workers. Okay, 45 is A. Next 46. Actual performance of a task is called activity. So actual performance of a task is called activity. Next, the interchangeability can be achieved by standardization. So it will be achieved by standardization, interchangeability. Okay, travel charts are used to 48 is, so it will be used for analyze the material handling, determine inventory control difficulties, plan material handling procedure and routes, all of this above. Okay, the value engineering technique in which the experts of a same rank assemble for a product development is called brainstorming. This is important question. So 49 is B. Next 50. Process layout is employed where low volume of production is required, where similar jobs are to be manufactured on similar missions, where missions are arranged on functional basis. All of these above are the correct statements. Which of the following technique is used for determining allowance in time study? So 51 is D, work sampling. 52 part is this all, providing this all requires. Okay, so this is the 52 questions. Now we finished. This is the 52 questions test of industrial engineering, test 3. So one more 2 tests also I will conduct. So with this you can able to ready to do any question from HPCL or Hall exam. So what you have to do, first you have to finish RS Kurme, RKGen, IES and GATE question. So this is the order. First RS Kurme, after that RKGen, after that IES, after that GATE, because they will first pick first RS Kurme they will pick. By mistake, if anyone will pick RKGen, then they will pick RKGen. Okay, all the best.